Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. And welcome to a new video on Ethena. All right, wanted to do an update on this. It's been a while. I used to cover this every day, of course, but I know that quite a few of you have been asking me for updates on this. And just in general, it's also a crypto that I still have on my watch list. All right, so I still cover it, or at least I still look at it every single day. And earlier this morning and yesterday there were some setups that I quite liked. They're all breakout setups, all right. So there's nothing right now that we can trade. I think Ethena in general is not doing much, but we'll look at that, all right. First of all, fundamentally, when you talk about Ethena right now, we are flat. The total value locked is kind of around 2.35 billion, which is great. I mean, that the growth we've seen in the last 2 months has been amazing, but it basically is. I mean, we stopped growing the 13th of April, which is also kind of when we lost our bullish momentum. So yeah, the fundamentals are not great. It's worth it to keep an eye on this. If this starts to increase again, that's one more factor that's bullish, and that could be the main factor that's going to cause some sort of a recovery from here. Because if you look at Ethena right now, we are bearish, all right, I would say especially after rejecting right here. Right here we had a bit of a chance, all right. We broke above 1.05 and then held it as support, but by breaking down below that on Tuesday last week, when the market also got a little bit more bearish momentum, I would say that's the moment we really lost the potential recovery. And you can also see, well, it's just, I mean, if you look at the chart right here, it's sometimes the eye test is the best test, all right? Because you can just see that we are making lower highs, making lower lows. So what I always say, and that I also think that's the case right now, when you see a clear market structure, and you can also see it right here. I mean, spot has been selling off like crazy for almost 2 weeks now. And then the momentum, so the open interest right here, has also been decreasing. There's a bit of an increase since yesterday afternoon, but it's the weekend. Can you really trust an increase like this on the weekend? I would say no. So it's very clear that Ethena is bearish. You can also see on the very short term that we have respected this resistance level right now, which the main resistance level we have is between, I would say, 91 cents and 86 cents. If we want to turn bullish, we need to break above that. But that's a very strong resistance level, all right? And so far, we respected it. So far, there's not enough momentum, I would say, to break above that. So it's most likely, and I know it seems easy maybe, but it's most likely that we'll drop down lower. And the main support level I have in mind is this level right here, around 75 cents. So that's between 70 and 75 cents. So that's what I expect. I expect us to drop down there. Now, like I said, I wanted to talk about all the different scenarios. Because I do think, I mean, Ethena, the backing they have, is amazing, and the bullish momentum we have had right here also did not come from nothing. So I do think that there are opportunities, but the main thing we need to wait for is just for momentum to kick in, and it's not here right now. Now, could that happen? Yes, we could theoretically have a very bullish week next week, and if that happens, then there's a chance that Ethena breaks above 91 cents here and starts a rally back up to 1.03 and 1.05. It's a possibility, but I will keep you updated on that, all right? Because right now, we can talk about this for 2 minutes, but it just doesn't look most likely. Certain things need to happen for this to become more likely, and the situation right now just does not imply that this is likely, if you know what I mean, all right? So that's what I think you need to know about Ethena for now. Like I said, I will keep you updated when something big happens or when something changes. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great week next week, and bye.